Is your boss toxic? We might go with this topic a little bit further than what we would normally imagine with a toxic boss. We all know from movies, toxic boss who bursts into a room, he's screaming and so on. We all know that this is a toxic person. But there might be other types of bosses who might be toxic either to you or to anyone around them, but they manage to mask it very, very well. Again, whether they do realize or not. There's a lot of people who think how great of a person they are, and they also don't shy away from telling you that. How do you recognize if the person who is your manager, who is your leader, how do we recognize that they actually are good to you? To be honest, this is a topic that is a little bit difficult to explain because you need to be in a situation to actually feel it. But how to try to be a good judge of a character? Your boss might be telling you that they are a good boss, but do you feel that in action? They might be telling you that they are a good leader, but do you see that in action? A person might be telling you they are a good person, but do you actually see them being a good person? They might be telling you they are kind. Do you see them be kind? So these are the types of things that we want to be looking at. How do you feel around them? Overall, when you come into a room, when you come into a call, no matter if you are working offline or online together, how do you feel? This is a huge guidance for you. Use your emotion as guidance. Do you feel you're embarrassing or are you excited to see them? Do you feel empowered or do you feel belittled? We don't care about what they tell you who they are. Do you feel actually seen? Do you feel heard? Do you feel like you matter? Do you feel like your words actually matter?